Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will discuss the Diagnostic Trouble Code P0111, which relates to the IAT sensor circuit. DTC, or Diagnostic Trouble Code, serves as a standard diagnostic identifier for vehicle issues, which helps in easily communicating problems across service platforms. The IAT, or Intake Air Temperature Sensor, plays a crucial role in the Honda HR-V's functionality, located within the intake systems of the vehicle. The DTC P0111 can either be a confirmed or pending issue, meaning that the vehicle has identified the problem and it is either actively affecting the vehicle or is still under observation. The IAT sensor, found in the intake manifold, plays a pivotal role in determining how efficiently the engine operates. It measures the temperature of air entering the engine, which helps the engine control module adjust fuel injection and ignition timing for optimal performance. If the sensor's readings are inaccurate or fall outside of specified thresholds, it can lead to performance issues, including poor acceleration or higher emissions. The approach to troubleshooting requires an understanding of the vehicle's overall performance and the specific parameters that could be contributing to the problem. Potential causes for the DTC P0111 primarily revolve around issues with the intake air temperature sensor itself, which may be faulty due to wear or environmental factors. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, can also contribute to this code if it fails to register accurate airflow data, which indirectly affects the IAT readings. Additionally, poor connections or loose electrical terminals can disrupt the flow of information between the IAT sensor, MAF sensor, and the powertrain control module, PCM. It's crucial to check the integrity of electrical connections, ensuring they are clean and securely fastened, as intermittent issues can sometimes lead to greater diagnostic challenges. Drivers might notice several symptoms associated with DTC P0111. One prominent symptom is poor engine performance. The vehicle may exhibit sluggishness or less power upon acceleration. You may also experience increased fuel consumption as the engine struggles to maintain an optimal air-fuel mixture without accurate temperature readings. This inefficiency can also trigger the check engine light, which alerts the driver about a potential issue requiring attention. Recognizing these symptoms early on can be crucial in preventing larger, more expensive issues later. It is advisable to address any warning lights promptly to mitigate these performance issues. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0111, start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This initial step prepares the vehicle for diagnostics. You will then proceed to check the parameters of the IAT sensor using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Specifically, verify that the voltage readings from the IAT sensor are less than 0.31 volts, which is the specified threshold. If the current conditions match this threshold, it indicates that the failure has been consistently duplicated, meaning you should continue to troubleshooting step 2. Conversely, if the conditions do not match, this points toward an intermittent fault, and you should inspect for poor connections or loose terminals at the MAF and IAT sensors, as well as the PCM. For troubleshooting step 2, ensure the vehicle is turned off before you disconnect the 5P connector for the MAF sensor and IAT sensor. This step is crucial for safely assessing electrical connections without creating any shorts or further issues. After disconnecting, turn the vehicle back to on mode. You will once again use the HDS to measure the parameters of the IAT sensor. Ensure the voltage is still less than 0.31 volts. If this condition holds true, You will proceed to troubleshooting step 3. However, if the parameters do not match, it is imperative to replace the MAF or IAT sensor, as this could indicate a malfunction in the sensor itself. In the third troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle to the off mode again. Utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line, a procedure meant to simulate conditions for further testing. After this is done, wait for more than 1 minute to ensure a stable reading. Disconnect the PCM connector B51P next, and you will need to check for continuity between 2 specified test points. These test points include the female terminal number, 4 of the 5P connector for the MAF IAT sensor, and a body ground. If continuity is confirmed at this step, it indicates a short in the TA wire between the PCM and the MAF IAT sensor, requiring repair. If no continuity is found, the TA wire is likely undamaged, leading you to check for any relevant service information or considering a known good PCM replacement as the next troubleshooting step. Once repairs are completed, it is important to conduct a final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Start by clearing the DTC codes from the system using the HDS. This resets the vehicle's onboard diagnostic memory. Next, conduct a test drive under varied conditions to evaluate the repairs in action. Monitor the IAT parameter along with other related readings to confirm that they remain within acceptable limits. Successful verification means that the repairs were effective, and there should be a noticeable improvement in engine performance. If DTC P0111 reappears, further investigation may be necessary to determine if there are unresolved issues with the PCM or the sensor connections. For preventive maintenance concerning DTC P0111, regular system checks are highly recommended. This includes cleaning and inspecting connectors frequently to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion or rust. Performance monitoring of the engine, particularly during seasonal changes, can help catch early signs of sensor malfunctions or faults. Keeping an eye on fuel consumption and acceleration will offer insights into the health of the IAT sensor. Awareness of this can foster early detection and enable timely interventions before more complex issues arise. Ultimately, these maintenance measures can significantly enhance the vehicle's longevity and performance while potentially saving on costly repairs. In conclusion, DTC P0111 indicates a significant concern for the Honda HR-V's engine performance due to IAT sensor issues. Understanding the role of the IAT sensor within the air intake system is crucial for diagnosing and resolving the problem effectively. The troubleshooting steps outlined involve careful testing and evaluation of the wiring and sensor responses, emphasizing the importance of proper connections and voltage readings. Regular preventive maintenance, including system checks and component inspections, is essential for keeping the vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. By applying these diagnostic strategies and maintenance tips, you can ensure that your vehicle's performance remains optimal and reduce the likelihood of serious issues returning in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.